In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the radiator cooling fan on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the nose of the vehicle. Let's get started. Remove the coolant overflow hose. There's a tab right here. Pinch this tab, pull straight back. Remove the overflow bottle. It'll come out of this bracket. Lift it straight up. There's a little tab on the bottom. We're going to remove the connector for the fan. It should be tied down here. Ours is broken, so it floats freely. There's a tab right here. We're going to lift up on that tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two fan bolts. Let it fall back. Remove the transmission cooler hose from the bottom of the fan. Pull the upper radiator hose towards you. Install the fan. Be sure the bottom two pins drop into the locators. The fan won't be able to move side to side once you do so. Pull it forward. Install the two bolts. Snug the bolts down. Install the fan connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give a pull on it, make sure it's locked on. If you're able to, put it back up to where it was positioned. Install the transmission cooler line to the bracket on the bottom of the fan. Install the coolant reservoir. Drop it down on the pin. Get it started in this bracket, and we're going to pull it, and it'll lock into place. Install the overflow hose.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.